Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the latest tech reviews. Today we're taking a look at the UGREEN Cat 7 Ethernet cable, a high-speed network cable designed for gamers, streamers, and anyone who needs a fast, stable connection. Let's see if this cable lives up to its promises. The UGREEN Cat 7 Ethernet cable boasts an impressive 10 Gbps speed with a 600 MHz bandwidth, making it ideal for all your online activities. Whether you're gaming, streaming in 4K, or downloading large files, this cable ensures a lag-free experience. Compared to older Cat 5e or Cat 6 cables, the speed improvement is noticeable, especially when dealing with high-bandwidth tasks. One of the best things about this cable is its wide compatibility. It works perfectly with PCs, laptops, routers, modems, gaming consoles like the PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X, Xbox One, and even networking devices such as switches, hubs, and adapters. Plus, it's backward compatible with Cat 6e, Cat 6, Cat 5e, and Cat 5. So even if you're upgrading your setup, you don't need to worry about compatibility issues. Unlike traditional round cables, UGREEN designed this Cat 7 Ethernet cable with a flat and thin profile, making it super easy to install. Whether you need to run it under doors, along walls, or even under carpets, it blends seamlessly into your space. If you're someone who hates messy cables, this design is a huge plus. This cable is built with 4 shielded twisted pairs of copper wires, reducing interference, noise, and crosstalk. Compared to standard Cat 6 cables, the added shielding significantly improves signal stability, ensuring that your connection remains strong even in environments with multiple electronic devices. Durability is key when it comes to network cables, and UGREEN delivers. This Cat 7 Ethernet cable is made of 100% pure copper wire with gold-plated connectors, reducing data loss and ensuring a reliable connection. The build quality feels premium, and it's designed to last for years without performance drops. Overall, the UGREEN Cat 7 Ethernet cable is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade their network setup. It's fast, reliable, flexible, and built to last. If you need a high-speed connection with minimal interference, this cable is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech content on Alltech. See you in the next one.